Hello and welcome to our overview of the Marketing Entrepreneurship Program here at the Downtown Market, part of the Kent Career Tech Center's many programs, and one that if your son or daughter is interested in business, creativity, learning a little bit about finance, econ, it's one that I think would be very valuable for them in their future, regardless of career choice. So let me get into our program by sharing with you a slideshow that was put together. Give this a moment to come up to our screen here. And again, thank you for joining us this evening. If you are here at our open house, if you're watching at a later time, welcome as well. We have two instructors for this program, myself, Kirk Helfrich, who's been doing this for 25 years, and Ms. Renee Lafergie as well. You see our times there that are listed. You can review those. Our classes aren't as long as those times would appear, given that transportation does take a bit of that chunk of time. We talk a little bit here about first year program and then what we call our Q year or our second year. The first year focuses on the principles of marketing, principles of economics, consumer behavior, psychology of consumers. And we get into a lot of individual and group projects to promote learning and teamwork. And then we focus in our second year program on small business, startups, pitch competitions, business projects that are more in depth, and some project-based learning. Although students in the first year don't have to worry that they won't be able to get into those same areas. Our pitch competitions are open to anybody who chooses to do so. And then you can see there an overview of what is covered during the time period. You also can look here at your own time at the course topics. I won't go through this. It's a bit of a detailed document. But those are some of the areas we cover in this program. So a wide variety of business choices. We do pride ourselves on our opportunities to get outside of the classroom. And again, we're downtown at the Downtown Market in Grand Rapids. So we have the opportunity to allow students to see how businesses operate at a much closer view, if you will. But we also like to try to get in these course field trips and a variety of different courses, course field trips, I should say, over the year. We look to engage students through projects, presentations, which we think are very valuable for students over the course of their studies. Speaking of studies, we enjoy case studies, which are an ability for students to get into decision-making, which might be involved in the way a business operates as they move on with their careers. We do a variety of business simulations through the Junior Achievement Program, a number of competitions as well. We'll bring in guest speakers through different industries within our field and from our advisory committee. And we do a little bit of sports marketing and entertainment marketing, which I find students really enjoy. You can review this at your own leisure. We do offer some extended credits or embedded credits through our math, English language arts, world language, visual performing arts as well. And these are variable depending on which school your student will be coming from. Some enrollment information is listed here. You'll want to just give our main campus a call, or you can go online there and see the techcenter.org/parents for more information. Just a view of our downtown market, which is a beautiful location for students to learn. Some pictures here that have been put together that students took down inside the market when it's open and sometimes can get very busy, which is great to see the hustle and bustle of a Friday afternoon. And other times it's very quiet and we have a chance for students to go down and take a look at the market, talk to some of the business owners or managers without the disruption of traffic flow. Just a couple pictures of our learning labs here at the Downtown Market. We use some green screens. Currently those in that picture are there to give us a little bit better view of our screen when we are looking at the various videos we watch business related, such as our favorite show, Shark Tank, which then will critique that show, the products presented, the presentation from the entrepreneurs, the investors' questions, and so forth. And then you see other images. We do have 3 other classrooms we use down here and a podcast room. This is a variety of different work that students have done in the last 2 years. We get into small business management and the creation of micro businesses. So we've had vinyl decals, quite a bit of apparel. Students will work in groups to complete this. We've had some custom jewelry designed and custom wearables. We had a group do candles and different body lotions, and one even did an outdoor scavenger hunts with QR codes. So a variety of great ideas come from students, and we like to promote having them work on those ideas. Another group of pictures from some student work we've done, hosting and putting together a food truck event. And that's the group of students who put that particular event together. And it was a great success, as you can see by the number of students outside at those food trucks. We have students create projects on things they're interested in. In this case, a group of students wanted to learn more about the pilot year of the scooters in Grand Rapids. So they were able to go out, take a look at those, determine how those worked, do a little bit of research, and talk with the city to determine cost factors and benefits of this program for our city. And here's some more of the real world learning competitions and projects we were able to do. Junior Achievement Titan Simulation, which is a business simulation. This was at Davenport. We had students perform well in first and second place amongst the 54 schools that were in attendance. We also take students down to Start Garden and get involved with the 100 Ideas competition, and one of the only teenage age groups, if you will, to be involved in this. Again, some other opportunities for students. This year with COVID, we haven't had the chance to do this, but we will be doing a focus group with them next week to talk to students about what their impressions of Detroit are. And we'll be doing a follow-up as well, focus group. And then also about careers in the automotive industry that might be related to business and marketing. In these pictures, we were able to take a look at the arena, watch a Pistons preseason game, visit their clubhouse, get a tour, and some unique pictures. And then the top left and center on the top are our students at the Detroit Autonomous Vehicle Conference, which was a very high-level conference and very exciting for students to get a chance to ride in some of the electrical and autonomous vehicles. We also had an opportunity to do a focus group with Target, who sent several of their employees in marketing to our tech center from Minnesota to look into what future products might be considered by Target. Bonus was students received a $50 Target gift card in that exchange. So that was a win-win, and students enjoyed that. Here's just a perception map a student had put together about their thoughts on where these restaurants fit. We also take a look at this in terms of color of logo, and we see quite a bit of appetite-stimulating colors and action colors, red, yellows. This was a real-world learning opportunity for location analysis out near our East Beltline campus. These properties are being put up, and students need to take a look at cooperative businesses, competitive businesses, and what they might put in that location in yellow. This was probably one of our favorite activities. We had 5 students, first time ever Google's had high school students involved in their startup weekend, and it was almost a straight 48 hours. Students did stay till the wee hours of the morning to work on this idea. They feed you well, and as you can see here, it was very, very creative, professional opportunity to pitch an idea, join a team if your idea wasn't selected. I believe 2 of the 5 students had their idea selected to be worked on. Just some additional pictures of that. Some students who were asking questions and presenting and taking opportunities to get photos. We do have some great articulation. I would say Davenport is our biggest, if you want to call it bang for buck. Davenport will offer up to 27 credits for students who go through the program and receive a B or better. Baker University, 6 credits. GRCC, 6 credits. Ferris, 3. Northwood, 3. Then the Art Institute, which isn't just in Chicago, but in various locations throughout the country, will offer 3 to 6 depending on the program. We're always trying to increase that, so check back if you want more information. This is a student testimonial from one of our students, Ravel, just about how the entrepreneurship program helped launch his interest in business and allowed him to utilize some of the skills and creativity they learned here. Ravel was an amazing student who organized our first food truck event, took the lead on that, and one that's on our advisory committee still to this day, and we keep in touch on a weekly basis. So it's great to find out where students are at. He does some social media influencing now and works with small companies in Grand Rapids to get the word out. And I'd just like to say thank you for your time. Stay safe, stay healthy. Get a hold of us if you have questions. We'll do our best to answer them in a timely manner. And get a hold of our main campus out on the East Beltline if you have questions about any of the other particular programs. But thank you very much and take care.